Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. I was in communication with Carmen Whitehead. If you don't know who she is, she has a YouTube channel. She has lots of indoor plants, and I believe a few euphorbias and cactuses and succulents as well. She's also a great artist. She has also her own merch. So just want to put that out there. I will link her information down below if you guys want to check her out. We were talking because I saw that she had a very unique euphorbia that I've been having a difficulty finding, but she was so fortunate to find it at Lowe's, and hers came with, I believe, 3 pieces, not only one. So I reached out to her and I said, you know, if by any chance you ever come across or would like to swap, let me know and I will totally, swap, because I really wanted one of these. So we did. She said, she reached out to me and she said yes. She saw I had posted some plans and she was interested in them, so we did a swap. I hope that she received her package. And this is a big baby. Big. So I'm excited. I should have had scissors next to me, but I don't. Look at this. Look at this view, guys. I'm excited. Look at that. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Carmen, you don't even know how excited I was when you messaged me back saying that you wanted to swap. That made me so happy. I was so excited. I told my husband, look at this beautiful thing, guys. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna be placing this in the front porch. That's where I have a couple of different euphorbias, and that's where I want to keep them. Hopefully when this gives me offshoots, I can propagate them more and just have them all over, because I do love the color of it. See if you guys can see the color of it. It is a very beautiful euphorbia, so unique. I'm gonna have to I cleaned, but I'm gonna have to use my blower to blow any soil that I'm putting everywhere. So I'm excited. Thank you so much, Carmen. I am gonna water this. I might have put too much soil. Okay. I'm gonna show you another one that I have in the front porch that I would like to maybe I needed more soil, that I need to repot. It is huge, but I don't have like, these do okay, these do fine in ceramic pots. I will show you when I get to the front. They do fine. These are pretty strong. Euphorbias have proven here, at least, to be pretty strong plants. When I mean strong, they can deal with the humidity and the rain. I mean, I've never had one rot on me, so that's just my experience. She's a little dirty, but it's okay because I'm gonna water her. It's gonna give her a good drain, and I'll show you guys where she's gonna go. She's so pretty. I'm gonna try to make her more upright. So, ow! Darn it! I touched one of the little thorns. Okay. Well, it's the weekend, guys. You hear everything. Everyone's out and about. I had to wait until the landscapers for my neighbor's yard was done because they were landscaping. Okay, I'm all set. Let me clean this up and show you guys where I'm gonna place her. Guys, look at her. She looks so pretty right there. So this is the beauty that I would like to repot. She's different. So I want to say I have a light green one, a dark green one, a purple one, you know, the one that gets the purple leaves. Then I have this one, then I have that one, and I have the variegated one. So yeah, and then I have this. So this is my little collection of them. Isn't she pretty? Carmen, she's so beautiful. Thank you so much. She looks good right there in her new home. And now I have something from your garden. Guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Go check Carmen out. Thank you all for your support. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.